Hello, precious family. Welcome to Brasia Kitchen. We thank God for another day, and today we're cooking spinach stew using coconut oil. We're going through our ingredients: spinach, eggs, corned beef, fresh tomatoes, onions, Kobe, known as salted fish, garlic and pepper, and I'm using coconut oil, and I have original here. I'm using the fish and the Kelewele spice. Put my salted fish in to infuse the oil. Now I'm adding my onion. Okay. So now, yeah, smelling so good. The coconut oil and the salted fish. The Kobe ne yejuma. Kobe and chuni wadiente. Okay, so we add our tomatoes. Add in the pepper. Okay. It looks nice already. Yeah, for momo for the dawai. Okay, I add my garlic. It doesn't make you hungry? Are you sure you're looking at this stew and you are not hungry? I'm adding some of the fish spice. Okay, I'm adding some of the spice to my eggs. So the egg is good. Collections. And we had the foam say about your kama. And so hairstylist for weddings, naming ceremony. Dr. Strands GH. Obey your say fe. Alfredo, about the Pama wedding dress, Nina, or Bomadin Womupa. Or not so yet, wear TK. Okay, so now before I put the eggs in, I'm adding a little bit of the coconut oil. Then I add the egg. Remember, I add spices to the egg. That's why the color changed like that. Okay. What are you saying? I'm gonna cover it. Wash. Can eat it with gari. With the baby gari. Yum. Plantain. And then the very much.